To swap one cryptocurrency for another instantly, BingX Convert makes it simple and fast. You can convert your crypto in just a few clicks without placing a trade on the market. To use BingX Convert on the websites, log into your BingX account, go to the Support section and click on Convert. Choose the account you want to use, select the cryptocurrency you want to convert from, and then choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Enter the amount, click Preview, and review the conversion rate shown on the confirmation page. If everything looks good, click Proceed to complete the conversion. If you are using the BingX mobile app, log in and go to the Asset section. Then tap Convert. Select the amount and choose the cryptocurrency you want to convert and the one you want to receive. Enter the amount, tap Preview, and receive the conversion rate. Finally, tap Proceed to confirm the swap. With BingX Convert, you can enjoy quick, easy, and seamless crypto conversions anytime, anywhere.